सिंधी समाज के और विभिन्न वर्गों के लोग जो कि नॉन मुस्लिम हैं, वह दिल्ली में भाग कर आए हुए हैं और झोपड़ियों में बड़ी दयनीय स्थिति में वो रह रहे थे। मैं स्वयं उनको देखने गया था और वहां से लौटने के बाद मैंने फैसला किया कि इनको समुचित नागरिकता देने के लिए जो भी कानून आवश्यक होगा हम बनाएंगे।
Speaking at an event in Delhi, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh in a controversial statement said that Sindh may one day return to India and that borders can change. His words immediately drew a strong reaction from Pakistan. Pakistan's Foreign Office sharply criticized the remark. It said the statement was delusional and showed an expansionist Hindu mindset. According to Pakistan, such comments go against international laws and try to rewrite recognized borders. According to Pakistan, these claims could harm regional stability. They accused India of using aggressive language instead of focusing on issues inside the country. They added that Indian leaders should avoid remarks that can increase tensions between neighbors. Pakistan further argued that such statements reflect a Hindutva-driven political approach. It said this kind of thinking is dangerous because it encourages the idea that national boundaries can be changed based on historical or cultural claims. In its response, Pakistan also brought up the Kashmir issue. It repeated its usual position that India should follow UN Security Council resolutions and respect the wishes of Kashmiri people. Pakistan ended its statement by saying that it will protect its sovereignty and will not accept any suggestions that challenge its territorial integrity. It urged Indian leaders to act more responsibly, especially while making comments connected to borders, national identity, or history. We urge Mr. Rajnath Singh and other Indian leaders to refrain from provocative rhetoric that threatens regional peace and stability, it said. Islamabad further urged New Delhi to focus on ensuring the security of its citizens, particularly the vulnerable minority communities. Rajnath Singh said, not just in Sindh, but throughout India, Hindus considered the Indus River sacred. Many Muslims in Sindh also believe the water of the Indus was no less sacred than the Abe Zamzam, which means holiest of the waters of Mecca. Singh further goes on saying that Lal Krishna Advani wrote in one of his books that Sindhi Hindus, especially those of his generation, still haven't accepted the separation of Sindh from India.